Meaning of dal. Dal. Dal.
Dal. Dal. Dal is a term used in Indian cuisine to refer to dried, split pulses such as lentils, peas, or beans. It is commonly used to prepare soups, stews, and curries. Dals are a good source of protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients, making them a popular choice for vegetarian and vegan diets. Different types of dals have distinct flavors and textures, with some varieties being mild and creamy, while others are more robust and earthy. Overall, dal is an important staple food in Indian kitchens that has gained popularity around the world for its nutritional value and versatility in cooking.